Hi.
To start with the recipe, first, remove your roast from the pan, setting it aside to rest. Now, let's focus on those delicious meat juices left behind. Carefully skim off the fat from the top. You can use a spoon for this, and you'll know you've got it right when the surface looks clearer and less oily. This step is crucial because too much fat can make your gravy greasy. Next, place your roasting pan directly on the stovetop over medium heat. Add 1 tablespoon of plain flour to the pan. Stir it in with a wooden spoon or a whisk to create a roux. The trick here is to keep stirring until the flour is fully incorporated and the mixture looks like a smooth paste. You'll know it's ready when it starts to bubble gently and turns a light golden color. By the way, since many of you ask about this nonstick frying pan that I use, after trying several, I found one that really makes a difference. I'll leave a link in the video description in case you're interested. Now comes an important step. Gradually add 1 pint of beef stock to the pan, whisking constantly. This helps prevent lumps from forming. A common mistake is to pour the stock too quickly, so take your time. You'll see the mixture start to thicken as you whisk. Keep an eye out for a smooth, lump-free consistency. Once your mixture is smooth, let it simmer gently. Continue whisking for about 5 to 10 minutes until the gravy thickens to your desired consistency. You'll know it's perfect when it coats the back of a spoon without running off too quickly. If it's too thick, you can add a bit more stock to loosen it up. If you're feeling fancy, now's the time to add 1/2 pint of red wine. This step is optional, but it adds a lovely depth of flavor. Pour it in and let it cook for a few minutes to burn off the alcohol. You'll know it's ready when the strong wine aroma mellows out, leaving a rich, savory scent. Continue cooking the gravy for another 5 minutes, ensuring the flour is cooked properly. This step is crucial to avoid a raw flour taste. You'll know it's done when the gravy has a smooth, velvety texture and a rich, savory flavor. Finally, strain the gravy through a sieve into a clean bowl to remove any lumps or bits. This ensures a silky smooth finish. If you don't have a sieve, you can use a slotted spoon to catch any larger pieces. The result should be a glossy, lump-free gravy. Serve your perfect gravy with your roast dinner and enjoy the compliments. The gravy should have a deep, rich color and a smooth consistency that pours easily. It's the perfect finishing touch to your meal. And that's how you make this delicious recipe. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more recipes like this one.
Bye.